Okay, this week, Team Fridgebot has made some pretty significant strides. A lot of our plans have come together. We've got the actuating arms and the pneumatic cylinders all hooked up and moving. We've got our mechanism arm, our grabber arm in place. We're still working out the end effector for this, but we're working on designs for picking up the traffic cone and able to carry it across the field and put it in place. We've got a tie bar going on. We've got our plans going on for where we're going to mount the electronics and our computer. Of course, the computer's got to stay flat in order for the gyro to work and operate our functions. The programming crew has been working diligently today. They did get our balance routine in there and dialed it in pretty nicely. It was pretty exciting to see it balance itself, and now we're working on things like the April tags, tracking, and different items like that. Team Fridgebot's got a focus on machining and fabricating in our lab. We try to keep milling equipment and machining equipment and welding equipment even. You know, we've got two Fridgebot machines here. We're working on a plasma table. We've got our welding. We've got a Miller TIG welder. A lot of the parts on our robots are TIG welded. We actually have our team members weld the parts together. We take a lot of pride in that our robots are almost 100% machined and welded together by our team members. So that's a great point of pride that Team Fridgebot takes on. We like to think that when the kids get out of our robotics program, they will have skills that are actually marketable in the real world. They would be able to go into a job and weld, or into a machine shop and at least start out as an apprentice machinist. So even the programming, I mean, they're programming at a level that most people don't start out at. So it's really nice, and I love to see the kids learn and grow and design and build robots that do very well at competition. We're very excited about this year. It's going to be an exciting season. Next weekend we're going to be out at the Oxford Robocats out in Oxford, Michigan, testing our robot on their field and making it even better for the first competition coming up. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Team Fridgebot.